working for Lindner now for the past 50, and I've been living in Germany for 25 years. And I've been living in Germany for 25 years. All my family is born in Germany. And I've come to talk to you about Lindner facades, Lindner exterior facade systems, and to show you what Lindner is capable of, and what our thoughts are and our concepts about how we produce facades. So I've called this presentation Trust Lindner because we want you to understand that you can trust Lindner to execute jobs for you, projects for you of quite complexity, and we will always strive to provide the best quality projects for your clients, so that when you finish the building.
Urban Element is
The presentation conducted by Urban Elements was dedicated to the facade systems of a company called Lindner, which is a well-known company in architectural community and the global player in the construction business with 50 years of experience.
Lindner's come to Georgia to introduce all our architectural facade systems to the country. We believe there's a huge potential for our products, particularly in terms of quality and long life of our systems, which I think Georgia can definitely benefit from. And we're looking for partners, which we've found with George and his team. And we hope we can come and build some beautiful architectural projects here.
As we all know, the Lindner company is a leader in the field of installations of facades. They also provide a number of materials and various approaches regarding interior designs. I believe that on our market there will be a high demand because of their approach, professionalism and build quality. Obviously, in the future more companies will be interested to try out the services that Lindner provides.
So our presentations are normally very practically oriented. On the one hand, we deal with the theoretical part, and our concepts are always theory-based, but our main goal is to achieve practical implementation. So we always put a lot of attention on the practical part so that people can really implement it in their projects.
Today's presentation was very engaging. We got to know the company Lindner and found out very interesting information regarding them. We learned that in addition to the interior design, the company has very serious facade structures. The presentation was very interesting. We had the ability to check out references of some of the very important buildings of leading European countries.
The facade division has grown up quite slowly over the past 15-20 years. We were a very small part of Lindner. Lindner is quite a large company. We have a volume of about €1 billion. The facade started small, maybe 15 million, and now it's grown to 200 million, but over 15 years, so it's quite a slow growth. That means that we have many engineers, facade specialists that we've found and established over the years. So this image is just to show you we've been around for a long time, and we will stay around for a long time. Yeah, so what are the challenges in doing work here in Georgia? Well, there are many. First of all, we found a very good partner in Urban Elements, our partner, and we will establish, let's say, some kind of workshop here to assemble all of our units. And there's also a problem of logistics, so we have to find efficient and economical ways to ship our materials from Germany over to Georgia, and that's why we're looking for a good partner here. We had great feedback from our group today, and given us some good ideas on how we can solve all these, let's say, challenges we have to work in Georgia.
Our company, Urban Elements, together with our partner company Lindner, have completed several projects over the years. Most of them were regarding interiors. Right now, our main goal is the development of facade systems. Our company could not ignore the years of experience which Lindner has in this field, and together with German colleagues, have decided to introduce Lindner's facade systems to Georgian community.
What's made Lindner strong is because of the offices we have worldwide. We can buy material from anywhere, basically, depending on the quality. We have our own R&D division. You'll see some images of that later on. And we're a very strong financial partner. So we have a very high capital to equity ratio. So we're probably one of the most stable facade companies in Europe, right? I would say. So you shouldn't feel any worry about us not being here in 10 years' time.
Lindner is specialized in interior fit-out. Actually, this is our core activity, and we've got big with that. So we've grown up in the interior market. Facades is an important part of business, but the main activity is interiors. So there's no market which is where Lindner is represented that we didn't offer and didn't introduce our interior fit-out. So it is always important to talk to the architects. And basically, we always talk to the same people, the people who design the buildings, so on the exterior as well as on the interior. So we actually accomplish each other, the exterior and interior part.
I'm glad that soon Lindner's facade systems will be successfully used by Georgian architects, developers and construction companies.
So what does Lindner give to you? We give quality. So this is basically the backbone of Lindner. We have a huge, let's say, value placed on the quality of the material we give. This is our partner company we use, is called 𝐒𝐫. They're very close to our office and they do all of our testing.
Unfortunately, many architects in Georgia still don't know anything about Lindner, and it is a merit of Urban Elements that we got more information regarding them. The more Georgian architects are involved in those types of presentation, the more it helps them to evolve and get more knowledge in this field.
Well, actually, we had a long-term experience in the Georgian markets, and we had contacts to many different companies here. But Urban Elements as a partner for the future appeared to be the most appropriate for us just because of the architectural background and a very high sense and love for details, for detailed planning. So we consider that we are, as you call it, on the same wave with these people, and they are particularly interested in our solutions and in providing our solutions to the local market.
I would love to say thank you to Urban Elements, to a company that has been working in the construction business in Georgia for years. They always offer very high-quality materials, interesting technological solutions, and plus, today's presentation is a clear example of how much the company is involved to increase and improve the knowledge in this field.
So it's been a great presentation today. It was arranged by our partner, George, from Urban Elements. I think we had great feedback. There was a big range of guests, and we look forward to a great future here because we see there is great opportunity for a collaboration with our friends here, and look forward to building up and creating new great building products for Georgia and the surrounding area.
Today's meeting is the best example of how important it is to introduce and present modern technologies to our architects. Because of that, our company Urban Elements will continue to host those type of presentations for Georgian architects.
I guess the idea is that we can pass on to you is that we can do pretty much all types of facade systems. Here we have the CW85. We have potentially the newer system, the 𝐒𝐴𝐴, and we have the steel and glass, steel tech options for you to also use as well. That kind of like wraps up the whole, let's say, portfolio of Lindner, and I hope you have now an idea of what Lindner's all about. And yeah, we'll be happy to get involved in any projects you may want to participate with our colleagues.